Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Everything is dumping and it does look like we're about to enter bear market. So Bitcoin's currently at our first level of support that I gave you guys, I think last week or Monday. So I honestly wish I long this. This would have been a good scalp. So that would have been like a 4% trade. That's crazy. But this was like an overnight trade and I was asleep. And then when I woke up, I think we were here. I was waiting for a back test. Like I think that would be the golden pocket. No, the golden pocket's a little bit deeper. So yeah, I think I didn't get any back test. And then I saw actually we drive down and I was like, maybe we drive down, take this low and finally come here. But it just got bought back up and it's back to 100K level. So now 100K is actually support, but I'm not in any positions. I'm not rushing anything. We got NFP on Friday. Today at 10, we got, what do we have? ISM services PMI. So, we just gotta play it cool and wait for the the dust to settle. But this would have been a good long 4% move. That's a really good money right there. So I hope you guys made some money on this. But to give you guys a recap, this was the internal range after the massive liquidation cascade, and we finally broke down. And Bitcoin's trying to find support right here. Now I'm not sure if we are going to you know get back up and turbo send, but we are at support, boys. So for longs, I don't have, honestly, I don't have anything like right here. I don't have anything right here. I don't have any levels. So I'm only going to stick to my box. Yeah, right here. I don't, maybe we SFP this. Maybe we SFP this. But like for me, if we lose this, this is going to be the next support. This is like the golden pocket from this low to this high. And you have a naked daily point of control right there. That would be a really, really good support. And you do have a lot of volume right here. If you can see, we range here for quite a bit. So, I'm anticipating if we lose this, we're probably going to come down here. But for shorts, I do have some short boxes for you. Let me just open up my indicators. Let's check where the VWAP is right now. Hold on. Let it load for a bit. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. All right, so we're above VWAP. And, I'm not very confident with this move, to be honest, because, we haven't changed. We did change market structure like locally, but, like I still want, if Bitcoin really wants to hold 100K, we would have been like 105 already right now, like right here, but we're still stuck right here. I think that's the previous day EQ. Yeah, we're almost at the previous day EQ. So I'm trying to see how we react from here because this might be a short, something like this. We go up like that, tag the naked daily point of control, and then come back down lower. So I'm trying to see how we react from there. But if this, gets we get a breakout here. I'm probably gonna wait here for the previous week low, PD open, PD high, and you have some good volume right here. I think sellers would try to attempt to send this back down here. So you have a naked daily point of control as well. And then if this doesn't work, these are like the make it or break it shorts for Bitcoin. This will be like a sellers versus buyers zone, intense fight. I'm going to take this out because I forgot what level I had there, but these will be the levels I will be interested in. How would Bitcoin react here if we get accepted back in this internal range, or we break, or we SFP and we come back down lower. So these are my levels for today. Not much to say, to be honest. I am still, I feel like if the bull run is not done yet, and then there are early longs right here. We got NFP on Friday. they're probably going to take out early longs, create a max pain, and finally bounce at 94K. And a lot of people would short here, and then that's when final squeeze and final blow off top all the way to 150K. So that would be the best scenario. Now I'm not saying that we're gonna get that, but a man can dream. A man can dream. So this will be like a big long. I'm probably gonna take this long. So that is my next support for Bitcoin. I do want to say though that on the weekly, um, I do want to say that on the weekly, we don't have a wick to the upside. So there might be a squeeze loading, boys. Like if you see this, it does have a wick, but it's very, very small. It's a small wick. So just watch out for this because this might get, watch out for our shorts because this might get and then make a wick maybe at the 50% of this candle. Yeah, yeah, maybe make a wick, something like that, and then back down, open right here for next week. So just be careful, all right? Because we don't have a wick on this candle. Like you see this, there's no wick, and then boom, all time high. Even this, see, no wicks, no wicks, boom, they get taken out. So just be careful. Might not get taken out this week, but usually candles like this, they're probably gonna get fixed or taken out. But those are my levels for Bitcoin. I know it's been a terrible, terrible trading for Q4. I don't know why it's like this. Last year was so easy. All you had to do was, well, we were just like going up last year, so it was pretty easy. All you had to do was long every pullback, every key level. But now we've been on just chop internal ranges, go up, one tweet from Trump. So these are my levels. Just mark it out. Wait for a proper reaction, but this would have been a good trade. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like. Please subscribe. I do have some links below for the exchanges that I use. If you want to support a small channel, disclaimer, I do get referral fees if you use my link and discount codes. See you guys on the next one.